is Irina from lalalandcrafts. We're going to do a bit of showcase of the November Club lalalandcrafts kit. Okay, so let's start. This is our November 2014 Club lalalandcrafts kit. You've probably seen already. I posted the little preview, so this will be not really reveal, more of the showcase or more of the show and tell what's included and what you can do with it. So for those of you who are not yet subscribing, just a little overview of how the kit works, how the subscription works. You'll receive your kit every month in the shiny envelope, and it comes packaged like this, all stamps and dies together in one package. Then when you open, you'll get a card, and this is heavy laminated card, so you can store your stamps on it as well. And then you'll have a letter that will tell you what's included, show you and tell you what's included, the list of all of the products and the value of the kit. This is a monthly subscription. It's not available outside of the club. The monthly subscription, the best plan is for stamps and dies for the full kit. It's $39.99. And the value of this kit, of the November one, as you can probably see, and I can tell you, it's probably one of our most expensive ones, or the best value ones. It's $88.99. You get 2 stamps as always, and you get 4 dice, full set dice in this kit. And the dice are, this kit is reading books themed. So the dice are, you'll get a bookmark, and it's a 5-inch long bookmark, and it comes with the other pieces that you'll separate. So you'll get 4 dice in this one. Then you'll get bookshelf. You'll get a label that says I love books, and you get a table lamp. So pretty full set here. And then of course you'll get Marcy stamp and the stamp with the critters. And let me show you how they look. So this is our little Marcy right here, and she's sitting reading the book. And of course we couldn't not include the little bookworm here as well. And he is little cutie sitting on the book. So this can be good for boys as well as the girls. And the sentiments that are included with this Marcy are: a book is a dream you can hold in your hands, every page is an adventure, and the definition of the word bookworm. The second set we have for you is these critters, and in this set we combine different critters for a change. So you'll get a little bunny sitting holding the book, little hippo walking from the library with the books, and an owl. This is the first time for us doing an owl, so I hope you like her or him holding a little book there as well. And the sentiments are: read, sleep, repeat, so many books, so little time, just one more chapter, and this is where I fell asleep. This would be really cute on the bookmark, because that's where we usually stop reading, where we fall asleep. And then for the dice, as I showed you already, we have the bookmark, and this is how it's going to look like once you separate all of the pieces. So you're going to have the bookmark itself, and it has the stitching all the way around, and it has the opening for the ribbon if needed. Then it has the topper that has the stitching on the bottom right here, and the opening lines up. And then it has another topper that can be used in different ways. So you can glue it up like this and have the ribbon thread through both of the pieces, or you can fold it and have it just over the bookmark, or you can just use one of these and don't use the other topper. And it also comes with the little label that says read. So you can see it has all of these pieces. So let me show you how they die cut. So this is our bookmark, and you can cut it from chipboard, you can cut it from cardstock, you can cut it from designer papers. The papers that I used here are actually our papers, and they're actually from the Christmas hodgepodge set from this paper pack, but there are some papers that can definitely be used for other occasions, not just for Christmas. So you can see these words, the dictionary kind of like page can be most definitely used for this kit, and you can't go wrong with gingham. So these are all of the papers that are included here, the polka dots and the stripes like this. And then there is another paper pack that would work perfect with this, and this is called Golden Sunset. So we released it in summer, but these designs would be beautiful for this set as well. Just wanted to mention it. And our papers are 80-pound cardstock, so when you die cut it, it's not just thin paper, it actually feels really nice for this. So the bookmark, you can just die cut it from one piece of cardstock and embellish it as desired. You can add little pieces to it. Look how cute. So see how I have reed die cut, and the little letters came out so you can see them through. You can embellish it. The little label like this, I just want to mention that if you're gluing it just on top like so, and then you can thread the ribbon, that's what I was saying, or you can fold it in half and fold it over. What I would suggest when you're folding it, if you decide to fold it first in your hands. Just line up the scallops on the bottom. Because of the openings here, it's a little hard to fold it from the top. So if you start from the bottom, it makes it so much easier. And then you can just use your bone folder or just do it with your hands to make the fold on top, and then you can line it up, line it up with the opening there on the top of the bookmark. So if you're die cutting and embellishing with the papers, then you can use different toppers as well. You can make it totally your own. You can use whatever elements you would like to add. Makes really cute bookmarks. Well, this is not just to make the bookmarks, of course, the set. You can use these elements on the cards. You can cut the card layer and make it as an element of the card, as a border, for instance, or you can make it sideways and have little Marcy sit on it. Is that cute? That's really cute, her sitting. And then you can add all different critters, whatever goes with your set. Look how cute. They're like sitting in the little library right there. And of course you can add other elements and create little room for Marcy. Isn't it adorable? Now with this bookshelf, this is really neat die, because you can die cut it from white cardstock and you can color it any colors you prefer, or you can die cut it from different colors like I have it here, and then you can cut them apart and you can add different pieces. Like say if you want to keep the shelf yellow, you can cut the books apart and make the books of the different color. You can do mix and match as much as you like. You can even do the book holders different color too. So there's so many possibilities to make it your own. So you got an idea. And then of course you can use the books separate. You can make a little stack of books once you cut them apart. That would be cute too. Then you can put your little critters on top or have it next to them, so you can use you can do different things with that. And of course you can do the same thing with the lamppost too. So you can cut certain pieces and add them to the main base, whatever color you decide your base is going to be. So you can customize it that way. Cute. So there'll be a lot of, I can see a lot of playtime in your future here with this kit. On the little labels, so we have two here. One comes with the bookmark. From the bookmark says read, and another one is a separate one that says I love books. So you can do this tone on tone. It looks really cool. If you do it tone on tone, it looks almost like it's embossed. So that's very pretty. Or you can do it on the contrast colors. So you can read the letters there. The letters that come out, you can use those separate too, and to create words wherever you prefer them without the label. And also you can do the inlay. So once you die cut it, you can put, oh, I didn't get the little picker. So you can put, you can do tone on tone. So once you die cut it, you can put the same color letters that came out, you can put them back in, or you can die cut it in different colors and then inlay the letters back in here. So I'm just gonna put the little heart because I didn't grab my little picker, and it's really hard to hold the tiny letters with my hands. Sorry, trying to get the little heart. So I'm just going to put the little heart in to give you an idea. So that's really cool, and you can do all of the rest of the letters. And I would say, see how I was doing, you would put the glue inside of the letters versus trying to put glue on little pieces. That seemed to be much easier, and then you can put the letters back in. Cute. Okay, so if you are subscribing already to our Club Lalaland Craft, this will be your November kit, and we're actually going to start shipping today. We're trying to get a little bit ahead for the holidays because we have family coming over for Thanksgiving, and we know you're going to get busy too, so we wanted to get this kit out to you as quickly as we can. And if you are not yet subscribing and you fell in love with this kit, there's still time until November 20th. Make sure to sign up for our club until November 20th. You can find all information on our website at lalalandcrafts.com. Just click on Club Lalaland Crafts while you're on the website, and it will take you to the page with all of the information about the subscription. Make sure that you pick monthly and then click on add to cart after that, and that will start your subscription. And as long as you do it before the 20th, or actually 20th is included, so through the 20th, then you'll get this kit. If you do it on the 21st and so on, your subscription will start with the December kit. I wanted to mention that our design team created some amazing projects with these products for you, for your inspiration. And I encourage you to watch all of their video reveals. We call them reveals, but actually it's not just them showing what I showed you already, what's included in the kit. And that is required because a lot of people still don't know about our kit, so we just provide that information. But if you are already in the subscription, you can just fast forward through that part. That's not difficult to do, but then you can enjoy the showcase of the projects, because in the pictures, it's one thing to see the pictures when our design team posts it in the group, and the pictures are amazing, but it's always better to see it during the video, because they'll show you some tips and tricks and do the actual showcase, open the pages if there are pages, or pull out the bookmarks if the bookmarks are pulled out from somewhere. So I really encourage you to watch all of the videos, either on YouTube or on Facebook Lives when our design team does that. And of course, you can always refer back to our blog, and all of the projects will be posted there throughout this month and until the next month, until the 15th of the next month, until we come out with the new club kit for you. So I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you love this little Marcy with her little friends here and all of the dice that go with it. I hope you enjoyed to create projects for yourself and for your little ones and for any of your friends and family that love reading. I think this is a perfect kit for that. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye for now.